This is Motorola Moto G13, and in today's video I would like to share a few camera tricks and tips that this device has to offer. So to begin with, let's launch the camera application itself. To start off, I'm going to demonstrate how you can simultaneously take a photo or video from rear and selfie cameras. So the feature for such photos is called dual capture, and such videos you can also access by entering this particular dual capture. So what it does, as I've already mentioned, it allows you to simultaneously take a picture from both cameras that you have presented over here. While at it, you can change the order in which they're placed, the layout by tapping at this icon, like so. The same identically applies for the dual capture for video as well. The next option, or the next mode that I would like to show you today, is called UltraRes, and long story short, that's the camera mode that allows you to take photos with significantly higher resolution, thus deeper level of details, but at the same time it does so at the cost of occupying more storage space. So let me take a photo with it and show you how detailed the photo will be. So make sure to set a good focus, take a picture, and if I'll zoom into our logo over here, you'll see that the details level is pretty much, well, decent to say at the very least, since as you can see while I'm zooming in, I can distinguishably see this individual pieces of dirt, or well, whatever is that is on our logo over here. So if you would like to take the photos with the highest resolution possible, just feel free to use this very cool mode. The next tip or trick is how you can make it so that you will not have to tap at the shutter button, but you can, in order to take a picture, you can tap anywhere at the viewfinder. So in order to activate this option, just go into settings, then expand the capture settings section and turn on the tap anywhere to capture feature. And now once we get back to our camera, as you can see, once I tap anywhere at the screen, the left side is responsible for starting video record, and the right side just simply takes pictures. Alrighty, so the final one that I wanted to show you today, you can also access through settings. Go into the capture settings section once again. This feature is called quick capture, and once enabled, it makes it so that by swiftly twisting your wrist twice with a phone in your hand, you'll enter the camera. So that's kind of a quick access option, if I can say so myself. So just twist your wrist twice like that with the phone in your hand, and whatever you are with your phone or at the system, the camera will get automatically launched. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.